EVS Chapter 3 Water, O Water. Water. Don't waste water. Water is precious. Water is life. Water is precious. Tip, tip, tip. Oh, the water falls, overflowing the rivers, lakes, and ponds. Waves of oceans gallop like a horse. Don't waste water. Water is precious. Taking form of icebergs on hilltops, boil it, heat it, turns into vapor. Keep singing the song of springs. Water is life, water is precious. Giving life to crops, plants and trees, running in human body, nourishing animals and birds. Water is life, water is precious. During drought, there is stress. Life seems to be in pain. During floods, there is threat and fright. Well, tap, a hand pump filled with water. Water is life, water is precious. This poem is about water, that we should not waste water because water is precious and water is found in oceans that gallop like a horse, so we should not waste water. Now, water can be found in three states of matter, that is the solid, which is the icebergs, and water is found in the form of liquid which flows in the rivers and ocean, and when you boil and heat the water, it turns into vapor, which is a gas. So, water is essential and it gives life to crops, plants and trees, also runs in human body and it nourishes the animals and birds. Now, during drought, there is a stress. Now, here it means that drought is when there is scarcity of water. So, at times when there is no rainfall or less rainfall, so it causes drought. Drought is a situation where there is scarcity of water. But during floods, there is threat and fright. So, here again, when there is too much of water, so there is flood. So, water can actually destroy the buildings, the shops and everything around. So, let's start doing the exercises. Now, turn to page number 21. Do you know any poem or song on water? Recite it in the class. So, let's recite a poem on water. Water for the flowers, water for the tree, water for the bird, water for the bee, water for the rivers and water for the sea, water for the world and water for me. So, this is a short simple poem on water. What are the different kinds of effects of water mentioned in the poem? So, the different places that are mentioned in the poem are rivers, waterfalls, lakes and springs. Water for the rivers, water for the sea and water for the world. Now, think and write. Tick the activities for which water is needed. So, to play, do you need water? No. To write, do you need water? No. To run a fan, do you need water? No. To sing, do you need water? No. To make tea, do you need water? Yes. So, make a tick over here. To paint pictures, do you need water? Yes, at times you need water. So, you need to make a tick. To row a boat, do you need water? Yes. So, make a tick. To knead dough, do you need water? Yes. So, make a tick again. To grow plants, do you need water? Yes. So, you need to put a tick over here as well. So, start writing this in your textbook. Think and write. What can you do without water? So, what are the things that you can do without water? So, you can dance, you can light a bulb, you can play and you can sleep without water. Now, things you cannot do without water. So, you cannot cook without water, you cannot wash without water, you cannot bathe without water and you cannot even paint without water. So, write these answers in your textbook. Water, more or less. Arrange the following on the basis of the amount of water that is needed for each of the activities. Begin with the activity that needs the most water. Here are the activities given and we need to arrange the activities according to the the activity that needs most water. So let's start. To water the fields needs most water. So you will write over here number 1, to water the fields. Number 2, to clean the house. So when you're cleaning the entire house, you need most water. So write over here to clean the house. Number 3, to bathe. So when you're bathing, you need water. So you write over here bathing. Number 4, to knead the dough. It needs more water. So you'll write over here to knead the dough. Number 5, to cook the food. So here you need more water in cooking the food. And the last is to drink. So you are drinking a glass of water. So write the answers in the textbook.